Creating professional product mockups usually takes time, and finding high quality templates can be frustrating. In this video, I'll show you how to create amazing product mockups in just a few minutes using Modor. Modor is an AI-powered mockup generator tool that helps you create professional quality mockups in just a few clicks. Here you'll find thousands of professionally designed, ready-made mockup templates that you can customize in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create high-quality mockups without any designing experience. All you have to do is use the simple drag and drop editor. First, let me choose an iPhone mockup. As you can see, there are thousands of mockups available and the library is updated daily with new templates. I like this one. So I'll simply select it and click on use this mockup. Now I'll click on edit mockup, then upload and upload my image. Once the upload is complete, I'll click on the image and Modor AI will automatically place it on the mockup while perfectly matching the perspective. Once everything looks good, simply click download and save it as a PNG or JPEG. Now let's explore another category. Modor AI offers more than 10,000 mockup templates across different categories. I'll choose the hoodie category this time. One thing I really like is the filtering system. For example, I can filter by Asian models, male models, female models, or even choose mockups without any people if I only want the hoodie itself. This makes it much easier to find exactly the style I'm looking for. I like this hoodie mockup, so I'll select it and click edit. Then I'll upload my design. After that, I'll open the colors tab where I can easily change the hoodie color. I can even enter a custom hex color code to match the exact color of my real product, which is really useful for maintaining brand consistency. I'll go with this color for now. And the best part is that I can always change it later if I want. Now that my design has finished uploading, I'll simply click on it and it will automatically appear on the hoodie. From here, I can resize the design, move it left or right, or adjust its position until everything looks perfect. Once I'm happy with the final result, I'll click download to export my mockup. The exported image is available in high resolution, around 2000 to 3000 pixels. Making it perfect for e-commerce product listings, websites, social media posts, and client presentations. If you work in e-commerce or create designs for clients, Modor AI is a great platform to use. With over 10,000 high-quality mockups and an easy drag and drop editor, you can create professional mockups in minutes. Give Modor AI a try, the link is in the description. You can also use my exclusive discount code MODOR30 to save on your purchase.